Hey everyone, let's talk gutters. Let's talk specifically gutter guards. I see these things regularly on houses that I'm working at. I think basically homeowners buy into them with the expectation that their gutter problems will be solved. Unfortunately, they will not. What happens is, while they might keep some debris out of the gutter, these things themselves will clog right up and then need cleaning just as often as the gutters would need cleaning. Worse, as you can see here, the guard or the screen or whatever you want to call it, it provides a shaded environment in the gutter that allows moisture to remain, and with it comes beds of moss. So, in my line of work on a daily basis, this is something I see all the time. If you have these, I can rip them out and throw them in the dumpster for you. If you're considering buying them, I encourage you not to. Just have your gutters cleaned simply, cheaply. Spend your money on funner things. All right, that's my 2 cents. Thank you.